Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed a Honeybook link or a form onto your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my Squarespace site, and I have this blank section here, which I'm going to edit. So let's just click Edit Page and go to that blank section, and I'm going to add a block. For this, we're going to go ahead and add an embed block, which I am going to resize, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger, like so. And now we have our embed block. Now to actually embed what we want, we need to click on the pencil icon to edit this, and then we have to go into code snippet and go into embed data. Now here we can embed our code, and for that we're going to go over into our Honeybook form. Now as you can see, currently I'm on my form and I'm in the advanced editing segment, and as you can see currently in the top right, I have this share button right over here. We're going to click on the share button, and that's going to open up this menu right here in a couple of seconds. There we go. And here you have embed on website. Now what you're going to do is just click copy this code right over here. As you can see, it looks something like this. This is just HTML code. So once you've copied that, go over back into your Squarespace site and add the code by pasting it over here. And as you can see, now we can't preview it because while you're logged in and editing the website, you cannot see the script because it's disabled, but we can preview it in safe mode. And once that preview opens up, it should add a preview right below here, which it isn't doing, so we're just gonna ignore that. But yeah, once you've added that and once you've enabled the preview, just click save and exit out of this. And now once we go back to our page preview, it is gonna show the embedded code right over here. If it decides to load up, there we go. And as you can see here, you have the Honeybook form right like this, and as you can see, it looks very good. It's implemented and embedded very well. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.